Today I have a Crafty Manor watercolor paint set, and this is for beginner to professional. It says it's portable, easy to carry. It does not come with a brush, so it's just the paint. And the colors are pearlescent, shimmery. There we go. You can also buy other color palettes. Like this one is like yellows, golds, oranges. There was also one that was blues. There were greens. There were some that were like dual tone colors. So there are lots to choose from. So let me get, and then there's a card that has some tips on the back of it. So let's get this out and let me spray this. I generally spray my watercolors with a water bottle to get them activated. I give them a second. This is regular watercolor paper. This is not anything fancy. This is not the expensive kind. This is what I would consider like a hobby grade or a student grade. So let's start. Let's see, I need something to mix colors in. I generally mix colors. You can take the colors directly from here, and this gold color right here is gorgeous. Let's just see what it looks like. See, I don't have enough water on there. So what I generally do is put water on my palette and then add paint to it. And that will make it go on much better. So let's watch this. Yeah, look at that. And I can see the shimmer on this. I don't know whether you can or not. I can see the shimmer in the light. And then if I didn't give that dark enough, I could add more shades or more layers or darker shades. Let's try a bit of this. And I'm just playing here. I'm not actually making anything. Oh, look at that. And this brown tan has shimmer too. So I'm just doing a wash of color. Let's try, this one really caught my eye. These are beautiful, beautiful fall colors. Oh yeah, these are mixing very nicely. I like that this is small and portable. Like you could tuck that in a tote bag, you tuck it in your purse. You would just need to take a brush with you and some water, or you could take a water pen, which would make it super easy. Let's try, this looks like pink, but it's kind of, oh yeah, this would make very pretty sunsets. And, you know, I could get more paint on there to make it darker, or you can water it down to make it lighter. I hope that you can see that. But yes, these blend really, really well. I like these colors. I would definitely invest in more of these colors for this set because these are really pretty. And when this dries, you're going to be able to see the shimmer even more, like you can see that first one that I had. And let's see, this one's, yeah, that one's getting close to being dry up here. So we could go back and add some dark highlights. There we go. Yeah, and that's very shimmery. Oh yeah, this is going to be really, really nice. Very pretty, very pretty. I cannot wait to do some washes of color and paint some flowers. Let's see. Oops, I didn't get enough paint on there. Yeah, we can do some flowers. And you can use these in combination with your other paint sets. So you could use regular watercolor paints and then use these shimmer paints as highlights with the shimmery colors and the glitter. That would be very, very pretty. Let's see. Yeah, now I have to wait to let that dry before I do the center or it's going to run. But let's see what shade this is. Yeah, that could be, I could do leaves with this. Get that a little, try both of those together. Oops, I think I'm going to use that one. Oh yeah, very pretty. There we go. So yes, this is a very nice set for hobbyists, students, or just somebody who wants to give it a try.